A machete proves to be an invaluable asset for survival. Whether you're navigating through dense forests or safeguarding yourself in the wild, this versatile tool is your reliable companion. In this video, we will introduce you to the top 7 machetes designed for survival and self-defense. For those passionate about survival, satisfaction is elusive until they have CRKT Halfachance at their side. It's a versatile powerhouse, striking a perfect balance between raw strength and an ideal size-to-weight ratio. Although the 14-inch blade might raise concerns about heft, CRKT ingeniously employs premium 65mm carbon steel to dispel such worries. This choice of material sheds light on the advantages of its elongated cutting edge, capable of dismantling any unwelcome wildlife when self-defense becomes paramount. In contrast, this exquisite tool's extended and proficient blade effortlessly conquers the dense wilderness, slicing through obstacles with ease. It's challenging to come across a knife as versatile as the Kukri. A well-crafted Kukri is virtually indestructible, making it the perfect tool for a wide range of tasks in the wilderness. Its unique blade design, with a keen point set at an unconventional angle, enhances its thrusting and piercing capabilities while retaining the legendary cutting power of the Kukri. Moreover, it features an integral guard that not only keeps the user's fingers safe but also improves the knife's balance and feel. Constructed from robust and enduring 1055 carbon steel and equipped with a black, rust-resistant matte finish, the Kukri ensures extra durability and protection. It comes with a durable Core X sheath, enhancing safety and ease of carrying. This newly designated Royal Kukri has been extensively field-tested, demonstrating its remarkable versatility in various bushcraft tasks, from chopping firewood to efficiently handling wounded games. It can also serve as a reliable last-resort self-defense tool. Imagine you're embarking on a survival expedition in the midst of dense jungles and rugged mountains, and you need to carve a path through the wilderness. Enter the ESEE Darien, the ultimate tool to make this daunting task a reality. Crafted from robust 1075 steel, this machete boasts exceptional durability and is finished in a striking gray, making it a true force to be reckoned with when it comes to chopping. What sets the ESEE Darien apart is its ergonomic micarta handle, designed for all-day comfort and a secure grip during the most demanding survival situations. Regardless of the obstacle, be it thick bamboo or hefty pieces of wood, this machete effortlessly slices through them all. To top it off, the sturdy canvas sheath in a stylish tan hue ensures convenient and hassle-free transport, allowing you to take it with you anywhere you venture. The Kreios Expedition Series machete represents a remarkable addition to Extrema Ratio's lineup, tailored especially for seasoned exploration professionals and hardcore survival enthusiasts. This machete excels in blending outstanding ergonomics with unyielding durability, making it the ideal choice for navigating the most challenging off-road terrains in the wild. With its contemporary design, resilient materials, and optimized blade geometry, the Kreios Expedition effortlessly combines form and function, ensuring that you strike objects with precision and formidable power. It features a 4-print handle and a desert color scheme, assuring that no matter how harsh the conditions may be, you can maintain a sense of calm and comfort while relying on this tool. If you're in search of something extraordinary for your on-the-go adventures, the Gerber Clearpath machete is an absolute must-try. What sets this compact tool apart is its versatile dual-sided blade. One side boasts a fine edge, perfect for hacking through underbrush and vines, while the other side features a cross-cut saw edge, ideal for tackling stubborn branches. This means you get the advantages of 2 cutting tools while carrying just one, a real convenience. The machete also features a tactile gator grip handle, ensuring a perfect fit in your hand and instilling confidence with every stroke. To top it off, the black sheath is crafted from rigid materials and includes a convenient belt loop, making it a breeze to attach to your back pocket. Whether you're a passionate adventurer or a dedicated outdoor enthusiast, you'll never make the wrong choice with the Schrade SCHKM1. This machete is thoughtfully designed to the brim, ensuring it becomes your most dependable companion while hiking, camping, or executing bushcraft tasks. Straight out of the box, the SCHKM1 wields a razor-sharp, black powder-coated blade that's perfect for impact cutting and even sharp enough for shaving paper. The ergonomic handle features a palm-swelling design, providing exceptional grip under any weather conditions. To enhance its portability, the machete comes with a form-fitting nylon sheath. In summary, the Schrade SCHKM1 is the perfect addition to your outdoor gear collection. Introducing yet another versatile dual-purpose machete that embodies all the qualities you should seek, whether you're on a survival expedition or exploring the harshest wilderness. The Gerber GATOR takes center stage, delivering impressive chopping power and sawing capability, making it your go-to tool for both tasks. This machete features a 15-inch plain edge blade on one side, facilitating efficient chopping, while the other side boasts an 18-inch saw blade for effortlessly cutting through wood. The GATOR grip handle texture ensures optimal comfort in all conditions, be it wet or dry. And to add the final touch, the machete comes with a riveted nylon sheath, offering secure and convenient carry options. So, that was our list of top 7 best machetes for survival and self-defense. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel if you find it helpful.